Programming your key fob for a 2017-2020 Chevy Tahoe is achievable at home, saving you dealership costs. This method works by entering the vehicle's programming mode via the ignition switch and syncing the fob's transmitter. First, ensure you have all the fobs you wish to program, as this process will erase previously programmed fobs. Get in your Tahoe and insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The vehicle should respond with a horn chirp or light flash to confirm it has entered programming mode. If you have multiple fobs to program, repeat this process for each fob within 30 to 60 seconds of the previous one. Make sure you have OEM fobs, as aftermarket fobs may not work. Once you've programmed all fobs, turn the ignition off. Test each fob to ensure it's working correctly. If it does not work, attempt to clear the fobs by cycling the ignition 10 times rapidly. If the programming sequence doesn't work initially, try again, ensuring you hold the buttons for the full 10 to 15 seconds. If the programming sequence doesn't work initially, try again, ensuring you hold the buttons for the full 10 to 15 seconds. Common issues include a faulty ignition cylinder or hardware problems, accounting for about 20% of failures. Remember, this DIY method is most reliable for these older GM trucks, but mishandling the process could risk voiding warranties. In cases where DIY programming fails, consulting a professional mechanic or dealership is advised. Also, extreme cold can interfere with fob signals and you may need to replace the batteries. Note that while DIY is suitable for most cases, updated ECUs or other complex issues might require professional assistance. Always double-check your work by testing each fob function after programming.